So this is a typical assignment. I'm not expecting you to be able to see the content, but what I want you to see is the writing schedule. So Mr. Raymer, I have right in the beginning what's called a warm-up, and that's essentially the free writing. I give them some prompts, but I ask them just start writing about whatever comes to mind in response to these prompts. Why do you think I put no parameters on this? So for the other ones, I have some word limits. Why do you think in the beginning no parameters is helpful?
Kind of that same principle that leads to almost like a paralysis of you thinking about what you're required to do in this or what is expected versus just getting the thoughts out onto the page.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of times, particularly when you have a word limit, when you're an undergraduate, probably happens also in law school, you're thinking, how can I get 13 pages? I'm 11 pages away. How can I keep producing? Or if you're the other way, of the sense of I only get 2,500 words for this, I'm already at 4,000 and I haven't even hit my argument, what am I going to do? So from the beginning, I just say get the ideas down. And it's the sense of I don't even care if it's linear. Some people hand in maps, mind maps of what they're doing. They're sort of outlines of what they're doing. It's just the sense of figure out a way that you can get ideas down so you can get started.